Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can view your browsing history in TikTok, comment history, search history. To do this, we need to go to TikTok on your phone or tablet. Then click in the lower right corner, Profile. Then click in the upper right corner on the three bars. Select the item, Settings and Privacy. Here we scroll down, select Activity Center, and the first we have Watch History, what videos we came across in the recommendations, Comment History, comments that we left, and Search History. First, we go to Watch History. Here's everything that we came across in the TikTok. We can watch some videos, put a like, write a comment. Let's say we forgot about them and want to re-enter or find them somewhere. If we do not like any of this, we can click Cancel, click on the video and click Delete, and again, Delete, thereby removing the viewing history in the TikTok. Then we can go to the comments, as well as view the comments that we have ever left and also see the search history. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. That was the phone support channel. Bye-bye.